Hey guys, welcome back to Made by Miriam. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some really cute DIYs that you can use to decorate your room. I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute rug that I have right here. It's super comfortable, cozy, cute, and it's a perfect DIY. It's a great way to personalize your room. You can make it in any color you want so that it matches perfectly. Because my room is white and pink, I decided to add some white and pink into my rug. I'll show you how easy it is to make this cute rug. This is what you're going to need to make your pom-pom rug. All I had to do was make the pom-poms using my pom-pom maker and then attach them to the non-slip rug mat. So I decided to use this woolly thick and quick yarn because it's super thick and cozy. It's super bulky, so it was perfect to make a thick and warm rug. Click here to get this Wool Ease thick and quick yarn that I used for my rug. I'm going to start off by showing you how to make your pom-pom. When you look at your pom-pom maker, you'll notice that the sides come out just like this. You're going to want to begin wrapping your yarn around one side of the pom-pom maker. Okay, so once you're done wrapping your yarn around the side many times so that you're going to have a nice and fluffy pom-pom, you're going to want to put your yarn through the crevice right here. Then, now that you're done with this side, you're just going to want to close it up. And repeat the same exact thing on the other side. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm just going to thread it through this crevice like I did before and close it up. So now that I've done both sides of my pom-pom maker and it's closed up just like this, I'm just going to snip the end off. I'm going to hold down one edge and then cut down right in the middle. Don't worry, nothing's going to fall out. You'll notice when you look inside that there's a nice groove right there that you can sit your scissors on as you cut through to help make sure that you're cutting a straight line. Okay, so I'm repeating that same step on the other side, just cutting straight down the middle. Okay, so once you're done with that, your pom-pom should look something like this. I'm going to cut a long piece of yarn. This groove right here is where you want to tie your yarn into. So just like that, I'm going to tie it around and then do one more knot to make sure that it's secure. Don't trim these ends, you're going to see why later. You're going to want to grab onto the gray centers and then just pull them apart. It should come apart, but don't worry, you'll be able to put it back together just like this. So now that you have your pom-pom, you may notice that it looks a little bit imperfect. So now you can just take your scissors and trim it down so that it looks even and perfectly round. You should have your cute and fluffy pom-pom with two tails at the end. For this DIY, you're going to need a non-slip rug mat. Some rug mats that you purchase might come with bigger holes than the ones that I have here, and that might make it easier to thread the yarn through. But if you have smaller holes like the one that I have, you're probably going to need to cut holes in it with a scissor. The next step is to cut your non-slip rug mat to the size or shape that you like. For the purpose of this video, I just cut it to a small rectangle. You're going to want to attach your pom-poms line by line, so I'm starting right here in the corner. What I'm going to do is cut two slits in the non-slip rug mat. And you can't see it now, but if you look carefully, you'll notice that there's one slit and then another slit right next to each other. So you're going to want to take the tails of your pom-pom and feed them through the slits. Then on the back of your rug, you're just going to want to pull the tails and then tie them in a secure knot. I like to do a double knot. Then once it's secure, you're just going to want to snip off the tails. And there you have it, your first pom-pom attached. If you continue doing this throughout your entire rug, you'll end up with the finished product. I hope I've inspired you to make your own pom-pom rug. I love mine and I hope you love yours too. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Comment down below what color scheme you're gonna go with to make your own pom-pom rug. And don't forget to subscribe to Lime Brand YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.